In the heart of the gumtree forest, a little koala named Kira resided. Kira was known for her contentment, nestled comfortably in the safety of her tree. One day, a storm brewed, shaking the very ground beneath her feet. The rain fell heavily, and Kira clung tighter to her branch, fear gripping her heart. The storm raged on, and Kira's safety began to crumble. The branch she clung to snapped, sending Kira plummeting towards the ground. As Kira fell, she closed her eyes, bracing for the impact. Instead, she felt a soft cushion beneath her. Opening her eyes, she found herself in a lush, green valley, untouched by the storm. A wise old eagle perched nearby, observing Kira. "You have taken a leap of faith," he said. "But remember, it is not the destination that matters, but the journey and the lessons learned." Puzzled, Kira asked, "What lessons, wise one?" The eagle replied, "You have learned that safety is not always permanent, and that change is inevitable. But you have also learned that even in the face of uncertainty, there is always a soft landing for those who dare." Kira nodded, understanding dawning in her eyes. "I see," she said. "I will remember this lesson as I return to my home." "Remember, Kira," the eagle called as she climbed a new tree, "every storm brings growth, every fall brings a new beginning." With newfound wisdom, Kira returned to her gumtree forest, forever changed by her leap of faith. The storm had shaken her world, but it had also shown her the strength within. And so, Kira grew, not just in size, but in spirit, a testament to the power of courage and the beauty of resilience.